Hello students, today I am going to explain you question number 5 exercise 1.1. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 for some integer m. So first thing that we will be doing, let a is a positive integer that can be written as a equal to bq plus r. Here q and r are some integers using Euclid's division lemma. Starting is same as we have seen in the previous questions in my earlier videos. So after this, here if you see in the question 9 is there, it means we should take b9, right? But in case we take b9, then possible remainders will be 0 to 8, and every time we have to do cubing because we have to show cube of any positive integer, and the question will become very lengthy. Now how we can make it easy? Instead of taking the divisor 9, let us take the divisor 3. Now why 3? Because we know when we will be doing cubing, cube of 3 is 27, right? And 27 is a multiple of 9 also, so it will work for us. So let us take b equal to 3. So r will be equal to 0 or 1 or 2, right? Now case 1, a is equal to 3 cube plus 0 when r is equal to 0. So cubing both sides, we get a cube is equal to 27 q cube. Now 27 q cube is a cube, and we have to show 9 as divisor. So we have to write it in the form divisor into quotient plus remainder, taking divisor 9. So we'll take 9 common out of it. So we will get 3q cube in bracket, and there is no remainder, right? And whatever is quotient, that will belongs to category m, as we did in the previous question, right? Where m is some integer, right? Case 2, if r is equal to 1, a will be equal to, what will be a? A will be equal to 3q plus 1, right? Cubing both sides, a cube is equal to 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q plus 1. Here we have used the identity a plus b whole cube. Now what is a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? So this identity we have used. So 3a square b, a what is a? 3q. So a square is 9q square. 9q square into 3, 27q square, into b is 1. So 27q square. This is how we got this. And similarly next, right? So again we have to show 9 as divisor, and if we see the constant term is 1, which can be remainder in case divisor is 9. So we'll take 9 common from the first 3 terms. 3q cube plus 3q square plus q plus 1. Students, one more thing that we have noticed in many solutions shown by students, When they take 9 common, inside they are supposed to write 3q cube, but here the power sometimes the students they used to miss. So you must be careful while writing this bracket. Don't forget कि power will remain same because you are taking only constant number outside common. 9 is only common, the powers will remain same, no? So take care. So here the bracket shows the quotient, that is m, some integer, where m is some integer, right? Similarly, in case 3, if r is equal to 2, a equal to 3q plus 2, cubing both sides, we will get a cube is equal to 27q cube plus 54q square plus 36q plus 8, right? And we want 9 to be the divisor, so we'll take 9 divisor, but before that let me see the constant term. Here constant term is 8, right? And 8 is smaller than 9, it can be the remainder. So by taking 9 common, we will get 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8, right? So whatever is bracket, that is what? Quotient, and therefore that quotient belongs to category m. So 9m plus 8, where m is some integer. And after that we will write the statement line again, that is cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 for some integer m, right? So this is the solution of the question. I hope you got this, that we have proved.